So hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create the trending AI images you're seeing out there, and also how to sign up directly without having to go through all the stress of joining the wait list. All right, so let's get right into it. So the first thing I'll have to do is to click on my Chrome browser. Okay, this is my previous tab. This is quickrecharge.com.ng, where you can buy data, buy airtime, and everything fits you. You can actually come here to do whatever you want to do, whatever. Just type the web address and then you're there. So we have to create a new tab right here and type out Microsoft Bing. Or Binge, whatever. So it takes us to Binge. So you might want to click on it. So this is the app. You can download it. You can go on Play Store to download it, whatever you need to do. It all depends on you. But then we are looking for something else, so we have to come and type here. We have to type in ideogram.ai.signup. So as you can see, you can type up to 2,000 words. It's an AI site. So let's click. So we are trying to look for an invite link, because without an invite link you won't be able to log in. And be sure to okay, I'll tell you what I'm looking for now. Okay, we're seeing one, ideogram.ai.signup. Make sure it is showing up the sign up blah blah blah. You click on it. This is just showing us various fact. I think we should come here. Let's come here and see what happens. It's still loading. Let's wait for it to load. Or let's just come back and search for other things. Okay, I think let's click on this. The first. Perfect. As you can see, it is taking us to sign up with Google. You then immediately you see this, the next thing you have to do is to sign up and generate your images, right? You let it load. And please, I know you've been cracking your head around this stuff. You've been cracking your head around this stuff. Please, the next thing you need to have to look for a new email address. You have to use I've used this, so I'm going to use my brother's email. you have to click I have read. When you know it, but you read, you continue. You have to choose a display handle. I'm going to choose Okorie Janet. Must be, you see, must be between 3 and 16 characters. Okorie Janet. Not available, so I'm going to only alphanumeric characters and underscored allowed. So we'll come here, put your underscore Janet. Yeah, complete registration. So that shows that my display name is actually valid. And boom, we're there on the page. I was waiting for it to load. I'll be teaching you how to generate these images, how you can save them too. We're here already. Calls have been stopping my videos since, hence it's cut. So when you come here, you pick a particular template, any template that suits you. You just have to, there are thousands of templates. If you want Nico, if you want Dylan, whatever it is you want, just edit it to your taste. We have Elena, Adrian, Brisa. There are tons of them. So let's work with Elena. Let me just show you how you can actually edit, fixing your name, generate, and then download. For you to edit this, you just have to click on Remix, and then exactly the spot where you have Elena, you change it to your name. I'm going to put Janet. My name is Janet. Good. I won't be taking long. I won't be generating this because there's no time. So like I said, click on Remix. I'm going to show you again how to do this. Go here. Fixing your name. Your name could be whatever. Could be anything actually. Then come here. You can see this generate button. Generate. Once you click on generate, you let it load. You wait for it to start. Now it's still generating. You see, waiting to start. It might actually take time and the rest of that. So, but I'll show you how to download it. We'll have to come back to our Elena again. I already showed you how to edit the name. This is blank canvas. Okay, so it didn't really take long. You can see we have different Janets. It gave me Janet, it gave me Jamet, it gave me a lot of things. So I'm just going to click on Janet. Janet. You either long press or you download here. Sorry, we have to long press. Download image. You can see downloaded. Open. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how you can create a talking flyer. So if you don't want to miss out on all those juicy updates, do well to subscribe to my my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you.